diagnosed with fatty liver, what can we do about it? So that's the next thing I want to talk about as well. So a little bit about the physiology. So how does the liver actually get fat? Like what's happening science-wise? So lipid droplets are largely what we call triglycerides, and they're a result of an imbalance of the production and export, so the import and export of what goes in and out of the liver. So the liver accumulates fat in 4 different ways. The first one is an excess dump of free fatty acids to the liver from your fat cells, adipose tissue. The second way is an increased, it's called a big word, de novo lipogenesis. It just means actual production of fat within the liver itself. The third way is decreased in your body's defenses of oxidation of fatty acids within the liver cells, so impaired liver function. And the fourth way is impaired output, getting it out of the liver in the form of triglycerides to be then processed through the body and out when you have a bowel movement. So these 4 ways are impaired, like I said, not just from one incident. It's ongoing insults to your liver. And they are influenced also by other conditions that you may have, and also influenced by genetics. So some people have a little bit more leeway than others. If you are someone that has insulin resistance, or if you've ever been told you had metabolic syndrome, you definitely have had an increased risk factor for fatty liver disease. Why is that? Because we know our metabolic regulation of sugars will affect the accumulation of fat in the liver. And I think that one of the most common chronic conditions that I see in the practice is impaired regulation of our blood sugar.